3.
Susan Stokes, our HR Director, has challenged the whole Hoover and Strong family to the ALS Bucket Challenge. We gladly accept this honor in honor of Steve Brose. For everybody participating today, we're going to donate to ALS Foundation. In addition, many of our coworkers have donated personally towards ALS research and care. We want to challenge our friends at Stuller, Stern Leach, and Rio Grande. I asked my father today to come and bring a bucket to participate, and he brought his bucket truck. Everybody ready?
Let's do it! Go!